It's Monday, July 10th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Potato of eXp Realty, your Thompson, Okanagan and Shuswap Lake, Lakeview and Lakefront specialist. And starting off with a near-unanimous view among economic analysts that the Bank of Canada is set to raise interest rates once more for what should be a final time. Those in the know pointing to last Friday's jobs data as the closing argument for another rate hike on Wednesday, expected to take the central bank's key lending rate from 4 3/4 to 5% even. They also point to rising home prices and better than forecast economic growth. Another dividing line coming to light in that BC port worker strike, a so-called retirement allowance or modernization and mechanization fund that currently calls for a lump sum payment of $81,250 above and beyond regular benefits and pension money for retiring workers with at least 25 years of service. While the union is wanting that increased by $10,000, management is apparently sticking to a $7,500 increase. Around the world on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcast, Canada's Business Beat, proudly sponsored by Eric Potato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to BC's wine country? Eric Potato is your Thompson, Okanagan and Shuswap Lake Lakeview specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. Have you heard the latest about that massive and nearly complete now LNG Canada plant in Kitimat in northern BC? Company boss Jason Klein telling Business in Vancouver that if BC Hydro was able to deliver the necessary power to the project, they in turn would be ready and willing to begin phase 2 of the venture. Food delivery giant DoorDash winning new friends in the restaurant business, announcing $10,000 grants for smaller operators hit by natural disasters, annual revenue of no more than $3 million among the eligibility requirements. And on the Business Beat radar for the week ahead, besides Wednesday's Bank of Canada meeting, we're also expecting first quarter earnings from Vancouver-based fashion retailer Aritzia on Thursday, Q3 numbers from the MTY Food Group on Tuesday, and also June home sales data on Friday. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, proudly sponsored by Eric Potato of OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com.